everybody, so today I'm continuing my experimentation with my cloud effect mixes, my black and white, and I'm going to add a couple extra colors in there to see if that makes a difference, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so I got my gloves on and I'm ready to go. I've got my cup and my colors here, and I'm doing the cloud effect pour. So I'm gonna start with the black, and the black is 50/50 Artist Loft Flow Acrylic mixed with DecoArt satin enamel classic black, and then I've got bronze, and that is from Art. Just gonna put some of that. Now I'm trying to put more of this color with the black because last time the black didn't really have time to react. All right, and then the next one I'm going to put teal, and that is from the Fine Touch. And now I'm going to go with my white cloud effect mix, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White with Behr Satin Enamel Ultra White House Paint. And all my colors are mixed with Liquitex Pouring Medium, Floetrol, and water. And then I'm just going to do another little bit of bronze and a little bit more black. And then I'm going to top it off with a little bit more white.